Hey job seekers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing 7 invaluable tips to help you achieve a successful job search. So let's begin. Number 1. Define your goals. Start by clearly defining what you are looking for in a job. Identify your skills, interests, and values to determine the type of work and industry that aligns with your aspirations. Number 2. Polish your resume and cover letter. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each job application. Highlight relevant skills and experiences that make you a strong candidate for the position. Use concise language and ensure your documents are error-free. Number 3. Network effectively. Leverage your personal and professional networks to uncover job opportunities. Attend industry events, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, and reach out to contacts for informational interviews or job referrals. Number 4. Utilize online job boards and platforms. Explore popular job search websites and online platforms where employers post vacancies. Customize your search filters to match your preferences and regularly check for new job postings. Number 5. Prepare for interviews. Research the company and the role you are applying for. Anticipate common interview questions and practice your responses. Showcase your skills and enthusiasm during the interview and be prepared to ask thoughtful questions about the company and position. Number 6. Follow up after interviews. Send a personalized thank you email or note to express your appreciation for the opportunity to interview. This shows your professionalism and keeps you on the employer's radar. Number 7. Stay persistent and resilient. Job searching can be challenging and may take time. Don't get discouraged by rejections or setbacks. Stay persistent, keep refining your approach, and consider seeking feedback to improve your chances of success. Hope you found these strategies helpful and that will empower you on your journey to landing your dream job. Remember, the job search process can be challenging, but with the right mindset and these practical tips, you can increase your chances of success. If you enjoyed this video and found value in our content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for giving your valuable time.